Alright, so here is the sample case answer that we went over in class. And as I said, I want you to do every question similar to this format. I'd like you to type out the question. If it's a long question, you can abbreviate a little bit, but I want you to type it out so I'll know what question you're asking. And then also it'll help you when you're studying for the exam and reviewing the cases. You'll know what it's asking and so forth. So the first thing I want you to do is, for example, this asks you to calculate the expected rate of return. So whatever the topic of the question is, I want you to explain it briefly. Tell me what it is, give a simple definition, how to calculate it, how it's used. If there's a formula that we went over or that you know or can find, that would be great to put down there, and make sure you define the variables of the formula. And then I want you to actually show me the calculations. A lot of times the students will maybe show me the formula, then just have the answer. But actually show me the calculations. If it's a simple formula, input the numbers, go through some of the algebraic calculations and show me the answer. In this type of question, I did it in a spreadsheet format down here. And when it's not a long question or a lot of calculations, you could show every one of them. Later on we'll do in the case there's a problem where you do like 30 different calculations and something like that. I just want you to show me once and then say, using the same type of calculation we calculated all the other numbers. And then actually answer the question. In your calculation, show me highlight somehow your answer to each calculation, and then actually answer the question. Say, based on the calculations below, it appears that XYZ Corporation has the highest expected rate of return of, and state the numbers. Show me and state the actual answer. Don't just have, for example, 4 different numbers here and then expect the reader to figure out, which one's the best, and why is it the best. Explain which one's the best and why it's the best.